of this video. Ito ang symbol executive church Miss Black. So this is our Starbase. So this Starbase is a nylon. This one, plastic nylon. It's a black nylon plastic. And then next one is this one. So this is a caster, and it's made of plastic caster, and then okay, to put it here. This.
Tulong na lang. Palit lang sa Julie.
Like that. So there's a hole here. Nilagay sa nila. And then this one, this is a gas lead, or this is a hydraulic. See, it's a black gas lead. And this one. This?
4675.
Yeah. This is a gas tip and this is a hydraulic, and we put it here. Yeah. And the next, we need to set aside this one. Next is this one. So this is our back hose. This is a back portion, and this is the design. It's something like a lumbar here. And it's made of plastic, so polypropylene material, and this one is the mesh here. Mesh. Yeah. Then ito set aside first.
Ma'am, sibuhay din na sa'yo, ma'am? Ito.
So next is this one. So this is our citrus, and the material is mesh, and it's foam cushion, and sorry, foam cushion, and it's 2.5 thickness, and it's board. And here, that goes for the heat plate, and this one for the citrus na connected here. The next, we need to set aside first, and we need to set aside. And then like this. So we need to connect this one here. So as you can see here, there's a pulse here, or the T-nut installed here and here. Then you need to connect the backrest here and here. So to prepare the screw, the bolt, there's a bolt, and it's 25 mm. So now we connect. Like this. So this is our backrest, and we do this like this, and here we got so here, so there's a hole and bolt, and then with this we need the washer. So bolt and washer like that. So there's a 3 more left. Ito po, ito, this one. And there's another one here. And here it goes. Like that. Like that. And also here. Here. And here, also here. Also this one. Like that. Like that. Here. Like that. And last one. That. So next. So later, going to tighten this bolt. For now, just go to keep it now and then. Next is the one. So now this is our arms. And like this. So here, like that. So, and then middle bolt. So this is a left side sitting position. And the arm. And here, there's a T-nut for the bolt. And ito, the ito. So, very simple yung time. So, like that mo naman ito. Next, other side. One. Like that, my friend. Like that. And then, bolt. And here's a T-nut for the bolt going to like this. And going to tighten the bolt. Till it fit like that. Now next, my friend, we're going to upside down this one. We need to turn around like this. Like that. Like that, my friend. And then here. So here, my friend, there's another screw. Like that. 2 bolts. This one for the T-nut and taking the bolt. Also this one. So very simple, my friend. Next, my friend, other side. Here. Like that. Like this. Like that. No more left. Then you need to tighten the bolt. Good now, my friend. And now, my friend, we're going to tighten all the bolts that we installed. Yeah. Also here at the this one, the crease, you need to tighten the bolt. That, like that, my friend. So, next one, my friend, is this one. So, this is the head plate, my friend. We call it head plate for the mechanism. So, this one, my friend, is the tilting of tension or tilting niya. So you want to like, if you want to like that your chair, okay, you need to tilt this one counterclockwise. If you adjust your tension, you need to counterclockwise like this. And then the position is like this, my friend. Okay? So let's go connect the head plate. So we need washer.
Para sa rubber.
Now my friend, let's ensure the head plate goes like this. And then the bolt, maintain the bolt. Like that. So there's a 14 up here and only 4 bolts. And then my friend, need to tighten the bolt. And then we turn like this, my friend. And this bolt, we need to tighten this one. Like that. Also the other side. This one. So now it's done, my friend. See? It's very simple to very easy, my friend. To assemble executive chairs. Now, so my friend, overall, this is our finished product assembly. So this is the back piece, my friend. Like the design, very elegant lumbar. And this material is polypropylene plastic. Also the arm is polypropylene. And this simply is push. 2 inches foam na cushion. Now, so now let's put it in the service. So this is our service, my friend, and this is our gas lid. Okay, my friend. So here, my friend, there's a hole. It goes here in the plastic, and it like this, like that. So now, my friend, this is our finished assemble. Like that. So now, let's going to test this one. So it's finished, my friend.